waktu saya belajar master, prof saya suruh guna ni. Tapi okey je, depend pada thickness of tissue lah. Kalau tissue tu lebar, panjang, so you guna yang deep lah. Okay, so saya guna yang ni. So first of all, ni panas kan? Panas betul. Panas. Saya menjelas.
Tissue embedding is a crucial histology step where processed tissue samples are infiltrated and enclosed in a supportive medium like molten paraffin wax or resin within a mold to create a solid block using the tissue embedding center. The tissue embedding center consists of several main parts, including the wax reservoir where molten paraffin is stored, the cooling plate for hardening the tissue blocks, the wax dispenser which releases molten wax into the mold, the cassette holding tank where the tissue cassettes are kept warm, and finally the mold storage area where the molds are kept ready for use.
These solid blocks serve a purpose to provide structural support, prevent tissue distortion, and preserve the delicate tissue, making it stable enough to provide a rigid matrix for thin sectioning and a strong foundation later for the staining process. Materials used during tissue embedding include molds, forceps, cassettes, and sometimes we may use plastic molds as alternative. Before we start, turn on the embedding center and make sure paraffin wax used for tissue embedding has a melting point range about 56 to 62 degrees Celsius.
First, the mold is filled halfway with molten paraffin wax. No dust or particles must be present. The mold is then cooled until a thin layer of semi-solid paraffin forms at the bottom to create a stable base to prevent tissue movement or floating. Next, the tissue sample is placed in the center of the semi-solid paraffin wax. Ensure correct orientation and apply only gentle pressure on the tissue.
And then fill the mold again with molten paraffin wax. For this step, ensure that no air bubbles are present after dispensing the paraffin wax again. Place the cassette on top and fill again fully with molten paraffin wax. For precaution, avoid underfilling or overfilling the mold as this may cause unstable clamping during sectioning. After that, chill the filled mold in the cooled plate for approximately 30 minutes or store it in the refrigerator to complete the hardening. After the hardening of block is complete, the tissue block will be removed from the mold. From here, excess hardened paraffin wax around the edges will be trimmed to ensure a proper clamping of the block on the tissue block clamper later during sectioning.
Tari dan 2025. 12, 11, 12, 11, 2025.